Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial here on Tutorials. I am Josef Bodnar and I'm inviting you to another Excel tutorial here on Tutorials. I'm continuing the series of Excel tutorials regarding to this tool Autofill. This tutorial has a goal to talk about how we can use Autofill to copy the formula into another cells. How we can use the options of autofill and how we can use autofill to fill a custom list into another cells. All right, so let's start and doing an hands-on example. In this way, you will understand better how this autofill works with the formulas and how we can use the options of this tool autofill. All right, so I typed here these numbers. Yeah, they can be the sales of a certain company. Yeah, and I want to calculate the sales from this column B. Yeah, the total actually. In order to do this, I'm going to use this function auto sum. Click on it, yeah, and automatically Excel selected this range of cells B4 and B7. Enter, and here is the total for these sales out of this column B. Yeah. Now using autofill, we can copy this formula, this auto sum, in the next cells, in the next columns. Yeah, for this column C, in this cell C8, and for this column in cell D8. How we do this? Just select the formula, go here to the bottom right hand, and drag this formula up to cell D8. Yeah, and the autofill will complete, as you can see, this auto sum formula or this function sum automatically in this cell. As you can see, the autofill respects the size of the range of the cells, yeah, beginning with row 4 up to row 7. Just it was changed the column, yeah, C4, C7, and here D4 and D7. Now you can see how efficient it is to use this autofill in your Excel sheet. Now I want to calculate the average in this T3 cells. Yeah, I'm going to start here. Equal sign. I'm going to type A and after V. Yeah, and I'm going to use this function average. Yeah, and I'm going to select the range of cells and enter. I go here on the file options, select advanced, and unchecked this option, enable fill handle and cell drag and drop. Yeah, and click on OK. All right, and go back and try now to drag this formula into the next cells, C10 and D10. All right, let's select it and let's sorry about this. Let's do this again, enter, and now let's drag this formula. As you can see, the cursor doesn't change the shape, the color. This is the first sign that autofill doesn't work. Yeah, and let's drag this. As you can see, autofill didn't complete the cells with the formula, so autofill did not work. Yeah, why? Because here in options advanced we have to check this option. Yeah, now you can see how efficient is this autofill tool. Yeah, now select again this cell, go to the bottom right hand and drag this formula. Now autofill autocomplete these cells with the average formula, with the average function. Yeah, and as you can see now the size of the range of the cells is the same from row 4 to row 7. Yeah, just the column was changed. This time is C4 up to C7, and here D4 up to D7. Yeah, so this is the way to use autofill to copy the formula into another cells. Also, you have to know that this tool autofill has a few options. Let me to type here the current date, which is 11 February 2021. Yeah, let's drag this cell up to like 17 February 2021. As you can see, here appeared this autofill options. So here we can select various options for this autofill. As you can see, this was by default used by Excel fill series, and we actually the autofill created here a sequential series of dates, yeah, starting with 11 up to 17 February 2021. But we can change this. Yeah, let's check all of these options. Let's check this copy cells. As you can see now, the cell was copied. We have just 11 February 2021 in each of these cells. All right, now let's check this fill formatting only. Now, as you can see, we have just the first cell. The next was everything was removed. They are empty because we selected this fill formatting only. So we just formatted the next cells. Fill without formatting. Yeah. Now, as you can see, this appears again. All these series of dates. Fill dates. As you can see now, we have the dates. Actually, we have the same series of dates. Yeah, because date matches a day. Yeah, fill weekdays. As you can see now, we have the weekdays. As you can see here, we have 12 February 2021 and is skipped up to 15 because, yeah, 13 and 14 is the weekend days. Yeah. All right. Again, let's select this fill month. And now, as you can see, we have the month, a series of months: February, March, April, May, up to August. And let's select now fill years, and now we have a series of years: 21st, 22nd, 23rd, up to 27. I select this again, fill series, and again we have a series of dates. So now let's see to the end how autofill works with custom list. Let's go on File, Options, and let's select Advanced, and let's go down here. Where is this Edit Custom List? Just click on it, and let's create here. Click on this box and or in this list entries, and type your custom list, like north, south, east, and west. Yeah, and okay, and here I'm going to type in this cell north, and now I'm going to drag down this cell, and here you go. Autofill autocomplete the next cells with that custom list what I have done a few seconds ago. So that was all for today. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. I'm waiting for you to watch my other video tutorials here on IT.tutorial. See you next time. Bye bye.